Hey everybody, I'm a Bedwars player, and I'm going to show you what I do every day. The first thing I do is I get on MC Play HD, and I practice bridging for about an hour. Bridging practice, I usually get on a Bedwars practice server, and I practice every single one of these. It lagged! After I fail all of those Bedwars practice skills, I get on Hypixel and I decide to PvP some people. I'd say bridge duels are kind of like a mini Bedwars, to be honest. Bad, suck. Easy. Okay. After I've done all this, I get the courage to go into a Bedwars game. Easy. Oh. Ah! I can afford it, please. Hello, green. Yeah! Whoa! Bedwars, but if I fail the rush, the video ends. I think we'll do that. Alright, epic invis rush mode. I'm gonna run out of invis if I keep doing this. Oh, I still don't have iron armor. Crap. Lose, of course. Watch me do it right now. Wait, you're low. Give me your... Ah! Whoa. Kinda sus Among Us, if you ask me. Whoa, you gave me a lot of stuff, actually. Yeah, come on. Right here. Whoa. There we go. Invisibility. I'm good. Oh. EP? That was surprisingly easy. I didn't do much. So that's the end of Bedwars video. It was meant to be a joke, because I don't actually practice that much. But, you know, still good content, right? I don't know what to post. Alright, goodbye.